INSOFI is focused on teaching, learning, researching data science. But these programs obviously require another discipline also. So we told ourselves, hey, let us do what we do best, which is data science. Let us find partners who teach the other part, right? So at INSOFI, we have designed multiple programs. A bunch of programs which I already talked about is data science for the sake of data science, where we teamed up with IIT Roper, we teamed up with Carleton University to create data science, computer science programs. The second flavor we have is data science and engineering. So we tied up with Case Western Reserve University and designed programs, MS in Mechanical Engineering and Data Science, MS in Civil and Environmental Engineering and Data Science, MS in Biomedical Engineering and Data Science. So those of you who want to build healthcare applications can do MS in Biomedical Engineering and Data Science. Those of you who want to build robots, drones, autonomous vehicles can do MS in Mechanical Engineering and Data Science. Those of you who like construction, petrochemical industry, environment, measuring the pollutions, you can building better environment, you can do data science plus civil and environment. So how do these programs work? At INSOFI, you learn data science. Then you go to US, you learn mechanical engineering principles or biomedical engineering principles in Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland, which is one of the top 20 private universities in the United States, which has more than 17 Nobel laureates from the campus. And people who wrote Google search engine, one of the fundamental architects, they are alumni of Case Western. So one of the top universities in the world. You go there, you do your engineering education there, and then you get your 3 years of OPT, and you continue, you work there, and then you build your global career in data science. So for those of you who want to retain your core engineering and master data science, now what will you be? You will be able to solve problems in 2 different ways, and you will be a super engineer. Similarly, those of you who want to do a management degree, postgraduate diploma in management, or a business and data analytics management, we tied up with 2 institutes, one in India and one in France. In India, we tied up with IFIM, which is a top 20 B school in India. In France, we tied up with Rennes School of Business, which is one of the 90 institutes in the world, B schools in the world, to be triple crowned by AMBA, ASCSB, and EQUIS. And there is only one institute in India that is triple crowned, IIM Calcutta. So this is one of the top B schools in the world. So again, the model is very similar. We teach data science at INSOFI, and then the students go to either IFIM in India or Rennes in France and study the rest of management education at those institutes. And then you continue to work as, if you go to Rennes, you will work in Europe as a data science manager. And if you studied in IFIM, you work as a manager in India. So we have engineering programs, we have pure data science, computer science programs, we have engineering and data science programs, we have business and data science programs. So whether your interest is programming, whether your interest is management, whether your interest is core engineering, you will be able to top it up with this highly relevant data science education so that you will be a much better problem solver. You know 2 ways of solving problems, not just one, right? That's why there is huge demand. And for INSOFI, it's an honor that such world-class institutions, Case Western Reserve, IIT Roper, Carleton, Rennes, IFIM, all believed in the quality of INSOFI's data science education and partnered and approved our program as their first semester, half of their credits. And we offer these programs.